Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your TikTok username. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile page. If you're unsure how to locate that, just select the profile button in the bottom right. And then up at the top where it says Edit Profile, go ahead and left click on that. And then where it says name, you can go ahead and select inside this field and you can edit your username or nickname here. If you want to update your username, you can select the second option, which is basically your handle. So username and nickname can be kind of used interchangeably in terms of what the term is. This second option for username is really your handle. And as long as no one else has used that already on TikTok, you can type that in here and then select save. And again, your name, if you actually have like a nickname, that's where you put your nickname here. In my case, my nickname is my username, so pretty straightforward on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.